Hey guys, Joseph here. Alex, Ben, and I just got back from a trip over 6,300 miles away in Hong Kong where we took part in the Global Sources exhibition, HKTDC Electronics Fair, and the Hong Kong Mega Show. These shows take place every year and sometimes every season, and this is where suppliers across China come together to showcase their latest innovations in technology. And we're not just talking about dashcams here, we're talking about a ton of fresh and amazing tech stuff to watch out for your travel, home, and everyday lifestyle. I wanted to show you guys a snippet of what we saw and share some of my favorite things too, and some of what we might offer on the BlackboxMyCar website in the near future. It's been years since we last attended these trade shows due to the pandemic, but since everything has more or less gone back to normal, our team at BlackboxMyCar made sure to take this opportunity to see what's up with the future of tech. By the way, I'm with Ben from our online marketplaces team and our CEO, Alex. Hello there. We were here from October 11th to the 22nd, plenty of time to check everything out. This is also a great time to keep up with the latest trends. Plus, we got to build relationships with new suppliers, scout out fresh products to bring back to North America, and of course, to take care of and maintain the ones with our existing partners too. Felt like a mini reunion for sure. We were able to meet and catch up with our international business partners, including Una from Sunway Yi, Bill and his brother from Viofo, and Maggie, who we previously worked with on brands including Vantop, Ape Man, and more. We also met with a couple of new dashcam manufacturers, including Sino-Castel, Horsentech, WDT, Apical, JWKG, Samoon, and Can Sonic. I did notice there was definitely a larger dashcam presence this year. And some of you may not know this, but some of these companies are the manufacturers behind popular dashcam brands that we see on the market today, like 70mi and Vantrue. Sourcing is a great barometer for us to observe how the industries are changing, and change they do. I can still remember a couple of years ago when we went before the pandemic, these fairs were all about smart home products. And this time, what we're seeing is a lot more CarPlay and Android Auto products instead. No wonder, because everyone's busy and back on the road, and that's great timing for us too. You may have noticed this year we brought innovative products such as wireless CarPlay adapters like the ZZ2, pre-installation essentials like the AquaShield, and a ton of car care finds on our Canadian website. For 2024, our goal is to expand it to new categories, and we think this was the place to do it. Global Sources Exhibition, a trade show taking place at the Asia World Expo, which is right by the Hong Kong airport. There's a couple of categories at this exhibition. We've seen consumer electronics, mobile electronics, home and kitchen, smart home, security and appliance, and of course, lifestyle. Going through the exhibitions, a couple of things that stood out were the enormous amount of new CarPlay integrated products. A number of these companies are now bringing CarPlay and Android Auto integrated DVRs into cars. Some of them are even adding a dashcam component into these. Wink wink. Sounds good to you? We'll have more for you guys coming real soon. Next up, car mounts. These car mounts have gotten much sleeker over the years, and adding MagSafe into them for an easy, convenient attachment. And for the audiophiles out there, we've also seen tons of Bluetooth audio speakers out there. One of my favorites was this portable set that had ferrofluid display. Check out how pretty this one looks. Really brings the acoustic experience to a new level. Now beyond that, esports seems to be making huge gains too. Mechanical keyboards, gaming handhelds, wireless headsets, and even VR glasses are on the up and up. Watch me drive and not doing a very good job at it. We had so much fun here at Global Sources, and we couldn't wait to go to our next stop, the HKTDC Electronics Fair. Moving on to our next show, Ben, Alex, and I went to the HKTDC Electronics Fair, which took place in Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center in Wan Chai. This event ran from the 13th to the 16th of October. One of the things I love about the HKTDC Electronics Fair is their hybrid setup. We're fortunate to have attended their on-ground event, but for those who couldn't travel to Hong Kong, HKTDC also set up virtual booths where both businesses and consumers can visit. Compared to Global Sources, there were a lot more automotive-focused products here, including this very cute and tiny tire inflator. Look how small they made these now. I'm so amazed to see how some of them can even act as power banks, and some of them, like this one in particular, comes with MagSafe, so you can just place your phone right on it for wireless charging. We even saw some jump starter batteries too. This one was a flashlight with a power bank component, and this one was extra impressive with a 4-in-1 function with a power bank, flashlight, jump starter, and tire inflator function all in one. Very handy. Meanwhile, my pal Ben was really intrigued with this technology that adds universal 360 car camera 3D features right into your car by just installing a couple of surrounding cameras into it. This safety feature is already available in many higher-end modern vehicles like Mercedes and BMWs, so it's cool that you can simply add it for your daily driver. Other things that we saw were portable car diffusers. This one was waterless and was made to be placed in your cup holder. There are also portable humidifiers and air purifiers, which has gained a lot in popularity across Southeast Asia. We all want clean air. Beyond automotive electronics, there were also home appliances like digital frames, smartwatches, e-display readers, GPS devices, sleep trackers, and more. Check out these locator tools. They're kind of like Apple AirTags, and they work with Apple's Find My function, but they've integrated it into various inconspicuous items like bike bells, luggage tags, and just simple key cards the size of a credit card. They're really putting AI into everything these days too. Somehow, they've managed to add ChatGPT into an Apple Watch lookalike. And this one even hid Bluetooth headphones right into the watch itself. These things are tiny. And this ball right here, it kind of looks like a Pokeball, but they can be thrown right into the fire to extinguish it. Gotta catch them all? Another major component of HKTDC that we saw was smart lighting. Check out this light that reacts to sound to create the perfect ambience for your home. And this one can be extended to new heights. I can say that this pandemic definitely gave these manufacturers a productive time to reinvent and put things together in tiny machines. And finally, our last stop was the Hong Kong Mega Show, which was back at Asia World Expo. We were here from October 20th to 22nd, and compared to the previous trade shows, this one had a different flair. Now, Mega Show is focused on categories that the whole family will really love. There were gifts and premiums, houseware and kitchens, toys and baby products, festive, Christmas and seasonal items, and sporting goods. I'm always on the lookout for some new giveaways for you guys, and this was definitely the place to find the coolest items. Here we've seen backpacks, cups, tactical pens, umbrellas, and so many other things that you're going to find useful every day. But guess what my favorite was? These cardboard speakers. It doesn't even need Bluetooth. You simply slide your phone right into the holder and it magically turns your phone into a boombox. I've discovered a ton of awesome finds the last 2 weeks in these fairs. And best of all, there was one important thing that I learned. There will always be solutions to make life better every day. So that's a quick rundown of what we came across at 2023's Global Sources Exhibition, HKTDC Electronics Fair, and the Hong Kong Mega Show. What do you guys want to see more of? Did any products catch your eye? If so, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. We're going to have more to share in the coming weeks, but we hope you guys enjoyed it. Check you guys later.